Instant commission affiliate programs. If you're looking to get into the affiliate marketing business, you can see how great an industry it can be. It's great for anyone that doesn't have a lot of money when they're first getting started. You have the potential to make a good income by selling products that aren't even yours. There is a drawback with some of the affiliate programs you may want to join. The problem is that some of them only pay once every 2 weeks or once per month. If you already have a bunch of cash handy, this probably doesn't really matter to you. However, if you're low on cash, you probably want it as quickly as you can get it. That's why instant affiliate commission programs are so important. These are programs that will pay you right away when you make a sale, usually into your PayPal account. This is a great place where you can promote affiliate information products and get paid for them. Whereas ClickBank, you might have to wait 2 weeks for a check to come, or possibly a week for a wire transfer. If you're using an affiliate program that pays to your PayPal account, you can follow this tip and get your money even quicker. You have the opportunity to sign up for a PayPal debit card. This debit card will allow you to make purchases and withdraw money from an ATM just like you would from your bank. This is beneficial because you don't have to wait 3 days for your money to transfer, and you can get access to it instantly. It usually takes about 5 minutes to sign up for your card and another week for it to arrive. Another benefit of getting paid instantly is if you want to invest that money back into your business right away, or you're using PPC to get traffic. By doing that, you'll be able to have your funds available so you can continue to grow your business. So if you're short on cash and don't have the time to wait for your check to arrive, make sure you check out affiliate programs that pay instant commissions.